Are you ready to become a travel pro in 2024? Here are some insider tips and hacks that will transform your travel experience. As we gradually re-embrace the world, we've all got that travel bug, and there's no better way to satisfy it than with 20 top-level travel tips and hacks. These aren't your average tips. These are the secrets that seasoned travelers swear by. This list has been meticulously curated to help you sail through the intricate world of modern travel, ensuring your journeys are not just smoother and more enjoyable, but also easier. Whether it's planning ahead or leveraging technology, we're here to guide you. So, strap in and let's get this started. Let's get started with our first tip. Tip number 1. Book your flights and hotels well in advance. Venturing into the world of travel is exciting, but a bit of early planning can make it even more rewarding. Snagging those early bird deals not only helps you save a pretty penny, but also ensures your preferred choice of accommodations. No more settling for less. Plus, it's one less thing to worry about as your travel dates approach. So remember to book early to get the best deals. Tip number 2. Travel light. Embrace the art of minimalism on your journey. It does more than just save you from those pesky extra baggage fees. It gives you the liberty to move around with ease, unhindered by the weight of unnecessary items. Picture this: exploring a new city, hopping on and off trains, all without the burden of heavy luggage. It's a game changer. So pack only what you need and enjoy the freedom of traveling light. Tip number 3. Be flexible with your travel dates. In the world of travel, flexibility is more than just a virtue. It's a game changer. By adjusting your travel dates, you could stumble upon cheaper flights, potentially saving a pretty penny. But it's not just about money. Imagine having the world's most iconic landmarks almost all to yourself, free from the usual tourist hustle and bustle. It's possible. Being flexible with your schedule can save you money and give you a more enjoyable travel experience. Before we get to the next tip, hit that subscribe and notification button, and I upload new videos every week. On to tip number 4, use travel apps. With a world of convenience at your fingertips, travel apps can be your best travel companion. They help you snag the best deals on flights, discover cozy accommodations that fit your budget, and even navigate through unfamiliar cities with ease. No need to juggle paper maps or seek out a local tour guide. With these digital tools, you're equipped to explore the world on your own terms. Remember, travel apps can make your journey much smoother and more organized. Tip number 5. Give yourself ample time at airports. It's easy to underestimate the time you'll need to navigate through an airport, especially if it's a large and busy one. Avoid the unnecessary stress of rushing and potentially missing your flight by arriving well ahead of your scheduled departure. This extra time will allow you to leisurely check in, breeze through security, and even enjoy a cup of coffee or a quick bite before your flight. Remember, travel should be enjoyable and not a race against the clock. So plan ahead and give yourself plenty of time at the airport. It's a small change that can make a huge difference to your travel experience. Tip number 6. Keep an extra copy of your important documents. You never know when you might need them. Having a backup of your passport, Idaho, and travel itinerary can save you from potential headaches. Whether it's losing your passport in a bustling marketplace or misplacing your travel itinerary, having an extra copy can make all the difference. You can keep a physical copy in a separate bag, or even better, keep digital copies on your phone or email. This way you always have access to them no matter what happens. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your important travel documents. Tip number 7. Understand the local customs and traditions of your destination. Every place has its own unique set of customs and traditions that reflect its history, people, and way of life. Before you embark on your journey, take some time to learn about these. Whether it's a customary greeting, a traditional meal, or a local festival, being aware of these customs can greatly enrich your travel experience. It's not just about being a respectful visitor, but also about immersing yourself in a new culture. This knowledge can lead to more meaningful interactions with locals, unique discoveries, and a deeper understanding of the place you're visiting. So get curious, do your research, and dive into the rich tapestry of local customs and traditions. Tip number 8. Invest in comfort. Long flights or bus rides can be quite grueling on your body, especially your neck. That's where a travel turtle pillow comes in. This innovative travel accessory is designed to provide optimal neck and head support, allowing you to rest comfortably during long stretches of travel. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and can make a significant difference in your travel comfort. I have found the Turtle Pillow to be the most comfortable. You can learn more about the Turtle Pillow below. Remember, a well-rested traveler is a happy traveler. Don't compromise on your comfort. Invest in a travel Turtle Pillow and make your journey as relaxing as your destination. Tip number 10. Master the art of packing. Between the comfort of your travel Turtle Pillow and stepping out to engage with locals lies the crucial stage of packing. It's not just about fitting everything into your suitcase, it's about strategic organization. Pack your essentials at the top for easy access, roll your clothes to save space, and use packing cubes to keep things tidy. Remember to pack a small bag for your essentials during the flight, including your travel documents, a change of clothes, and your trusted travel Turtle Pillow. Also, consider the climate of your destination when packing your clothes. And don't forget, leave some space for souvenirs. Mastering the art of packing can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Tip number 11. Explore local cuisine. Another wonderful way to immerse yourself in a new culture is through its food. Don't shy away from the street stalls, local markets, and traditional eateries. Trying out local dishes is an adventure in itself, and a great way to understand the culture, traditions, and history of a place. Remember to check the hygiene at these places, and when in doubt, follow the locals. They know where the best food is. And of course, remember any dietary restrictions or allergies you may have. Exploring local cuisine isn't just about satisfying your taste buds. It's about experiencing something new and different. So, go ahead and add a dash of culinary exploration to your travel itinerary. Tip number 12. Connect with local people. After you've tasted the local cuisine and before you dive into learning the local language, take the time to connect with the local people. They are the beating heart of every place, and there's no better way to truly understand a culture than by interacting with its people. Visit local parks, cafes, markets, and festivals. Engage in conversations, be open to their stories and traditions. Share your own experiences and culture too. This exchange can lead to a deeper understanding of the place and often results in unforgettable moments and lifelong friendships. Remember to always be respectful and considerate of cultural differences. So don't just be a tourist, be a traveler and let the local people be your real guide to their city or country. Tip number 13. Participate in local activities. After connecting with the local people, before diving into their language, why not join them in their daily activities? This could be something as simple as playing a local sport, attending a community event, or even participating in a traditional dance. Immersing yourself in these activities not only provides a unique and authentic cultural experience, but also helps you bond with the locals on a deeper level. You might even pick up a new skill along the way. Remember, travel isn't just about seeing new places. It's about living and experiencing them. So step out of your comfort zone and participate in the local activities. You'll be surprised at how much more you can learn and enjoy. Tip number 14. Embrace local art and handicrafts. When you're immersing yourself in a new culture, don't forget to explore their local art scene. This could be anything from visiting local art galleries, attending a craft fair, or even trying your hand at creating some local handicrafts. Many places offer workshops where you can learn traditional crafting techniques. This not only supports the local economy, but also gives you a deeper appreciation of the culture and their artistic expression. Plus, you get to take home a unique handmade souvenir that's far more meaningful than anything you could buy in a tourist shop. So go ahead, embrace the local art and handicrafts, and add another layer to your travel experience. Tip number 15. Capture your journey. After embracing local art and before diving into the local language, remember to chronicle your journey. In the age of smartphones and social media, it's easy to overlook the importance of capturing memories in a more personal and tangible way. Consider keeping a travel journal to record your thoughts, experiences, and impressions. Sketch the beautiful landscapes, jot down interesting conversations, or stick in mementos like tickets and postcards. You could also use a camera to capture the beauty of the places you visit and the people you meet. These captured moments become priceless souvenirs that can transport you back to the adventure long after it's over. So don't just capture photos for Instagram, capture memories for yourself. Tip number 16. Sustainable travel practices. After capturing your journey and before diving into the local language, it's important to acknowledge the impact of our travel habits on the environment and local communities. Choose to travel responsibly by adopting sustainable practices. This could be as simple as using a refillable water bottle, taking public transportation, or supporting local businesses. Be mindful of your waste and respect the local flora and fauna. Remember, we are guests in these places and it's our responsibility to leave them as we found them, or even better, for future travelers. So let's travel, but let's do it sustainably. Tip number 17. Opt for slow travel. After practicing sustainable travel and before learning the local phrases, let's take a moment to appreciate the concept of slow travel. Slow travel is about immersing yourself in the local culture, taking time to savor each moment and truly experiencing the essence of the place. Instead of rushing from one tourist spot to another, consider spending more time in fewer places. Visit the local markets, take a leisurely stroll around the neighborhood, or simply sit in a local cafe and watch the world go by. This not only reduces the stress of travel but also leaves a smaller carbon footprint. Remember, travel is not just about ticking off the bucket list, but about creating meaningful experiences, so slow down and soak in the beauty around you. Tip number 18. Embrace solo travel. In between the slow travel and learning local phrases, let's explore the idea of traveling solo. Traveling alone can be a transformative and empowering experience. It gives you the freedom to do what you want, when you want, and at your own pace. It challenges you to step out of your comfort zone, to navigate new environments, and to meet new people. Most importantly, it gives you the opportunity to truly get to know yourself. So don't be afraid to take that solo trip. Plan carefully, stay safe, and embrace the adventure. Remember, the journey of self-discovery begins with a single step. Tip number 18. Learn basic local phrases. Diving into the local language can be a game changer. It's about more than just getting by, it's about connecting. Familiarize yourself with everyday greetings, signs and symbols, and how to ask for help. This small effort can open doors to rich cultural exchanges and even lead to new friendships. And let's not forget, it can be incredibly helpful in navigating unfamiliar places. So don't be shy, embrace the local lingo. Knowing a few local phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience. Tip number 19. Buy travel insurance. Don't let unforeseen circumstances cast a shadow over your adventure. Travel insurance plays a crucial role in safeguarding your journey. It covers unexpected costs that can spring up like a medical emergency or last-minute trip cancellations. Whether it's a minor hiccup or a major hurdle, having this safety net can make all the difference. It's about being prepared for the unpredictable. Remember, when it comes to travel, it's better to be safe than sorry. Travel insurance is a small price to pay for peace of mind during your travels. Tip number 20. Stay hydrated and healthy. As you journey through exciting new terrains, it's imperative to keep your body well fueled and hydrated. Whether you're trekking through a rainforest or exploring a bustling city, regular water intake is crucial. Similarly, opting for nutritious meals over fast food can boost your energy, immunity, and overall well-being. So pack your water bottle and choose your meals wisely. After all, your health is your wealth, especially when you're miles away from home. Remember, a healthy traveler is a happy traveler. And those were our 20 travel tips and hacks for 2024. Let's take a quick journey back through the highlights. Be the early bird, securing your desires before the crowd. Lighten your load, carrying only what's necessary. Flexibility with your travel dates can lead to unexpected adventures and savings. Harness the power of travel apps. They're like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Pick up a few local phrases. A simple hello can open doors. Don't forget to invest in travel insurance. It's the safety net you hope you'll never need. Lastly, prioritize your health. Staying hydrated and eating well will keep you energized and ready to explore. Each of these tips is a stepping stone on the path to a seamless travel experience. We hope these tips will make your travels easier and more enjoyable. And here is another informative travel video just for you. Safe travels!